afternoon. Hi B, before we go to the supermarket, I I want to check what we already have of home. So what food and drink do you have in your kitchen? Not. Do you have enough ingredients for lunch? And what do be today? Be well, my kitchen have some eggs and some vegetable and also have a lot of water and the fake apple, but I don't really have and cheese and the dog have and milk. I also don't have any bears so instead to be home today. What do what want to be some meat, some yogurt, and maybe some snacks for later. Beer, you see, and you see what phone and drip do you have in your kitchen right now? Do you need to be many things for lunch or for wet? And my kids have some chicken and I love rice. I also have some pasta and a pet for tomatoes, but wood and do not have any fruit. And do you don't have I juicy or soda? I have to be some bananas, some grapes, some orange Swiss juicy, and some what do you be some vegetal because in do you not have a card of less choosing. And how often you a what fun drink do you like have in your kids note and what do you have and do you what the book and the supermarket today? Well, I have and some bread and a lot of fresh recipe. I also have some apple and a little bit after, but it do not have an milk and I do not have any chicken. And what do you be some chicken, some orange juice, and maybe some vegetable like onion, peppers, and also what do you have some snack because I do not have any college. I also net different thing, but thank you good. Yet let money like some dot for an answer. Good, let's go to the supermarket and beat every do for lunch. Thank you.